Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use company notes. So first you want to hover over to Contacts on the left, and then Company. At the top you want to select the company question. And then at the top you hover over to Notes. And here you can see all the notes that have been added by the people who work in this company. Now if you want to add a note manually, you can click on the Add Note button, top right corner here, select your contact. Who are you? What kind of node do you want to add? And add your node and then it will show up here. Okay, so that's one area where you can add notes. Number 2, if you hover over to Contacts and you find one contact that works in your company. So let's take myself for an example. You can see here at the top contact, that's me. And then at the company you can see that I'm working for the demo company. And at the top right, you can add a node, click Add Node. This node is added from Contact page. Hit Save. Let's cruise back to Company. Select to Company. Click on Notes. Now you can see the node I've just created from the Contact section. Okay, you can also filter notes by contact name. So hit Filter Created At, you can select Nears first or you can select a contact. So let's select the first contact. First hit Apply. And now you can see there's only those 3. It filters through those 5 nodes, which we had before. Let me remove it so you can see, now you can see 5 different notes. But if I want to just check notes from the other person, just hit Apply and I can go through the notes like that. This is how you filter through notes. If several people from the same company have left notes and you want to work through those, you want to collaborate, you want to send each other the messages, and just be on top of your game. What is going on the particular project you guys are working at? Thanks for listening to this video about how to use company notes. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.